In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automatically start tasks in Zoho projects. The goal here is simple. You will use a blueprint to automatically update a task's start date the moment it moves into an in-progress status. This helps keep schedules accurate without relying on someone to manually fill in dates, and it keeps your reporting consistent across the whole team. To begin, open Zoho Projects and go to the top right corner of your screen. Click the Setup option, which looks like a small gear icon. This is where Zoho Projects keeps the administration and automation tools. Inside Setup, find the Task Automation section, then select Blueprint. Blueprints are used to control how a task moves from one status to another, and they can run actions for you in the background when those changes happen. On the Blueprint page, click the option to create a new blueprint. You are going to set up the rules that decide which tasks this automation applies to, so take a moment to be intentional here. First, define the task layout. This tells Zoho which task type or layout you want to control. Then set your criteria, which filters the tasks even further. For example, you might set the criteria so the blueprint applies when a task status is set to on track. Using clear criteria is important, because it prevents the automation from triggering on tasks you did not intend to include. Next, build the workflow by dragging and dropping task statuses to create a transition. A transition is simply the approved path from one status to another, such as moving from on track to in progress. This is the moment when you want Zoho projects to automatically start the task by stamping the correct date. Once your transition is created, click directly on the transition line. You will see options for when actions should run. Choose After, so the automation happens after the status change is completed. Then add an action that updates the start date field. Set it to use the current date, so it always reflects the day the task actually enters the in-progress stage. After you save, your blueprint will take care of this automatically going forward, making task start tracking much more reliable. That covers everything you need to know.